In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Slack workspace member. In Slack, the proper way to remove someone from a workspace is not by deleting their profile, but by deactivating their account. That's important because Slack keeps message history, file references, and past conversations intact. Deactivation immediately removes the person's access, signs them out of any active sessions, and stops billing for their seat while preserving the workspace history your team may still need. Before you begin, make sure you have the right permissions. Only a primary workspace owner, or workspace admin can manage membership and deactivate accounts. To start, open Slack using either the desktop app or a desktop web browser. Once you're inside the correct workspace, go to the top left corner of the sidebar and click the workspace name. This opens the main workspace menu. From there, scroll through the available options, hover over Tools and Settings, or Administration, depending on your workspace layout, and then select Manage Members. Slack will open the member management area in a secure admin page in your browser. Once the member dashboard loads, look near the top of the page for the search field. This is where you can quickly narrow down the member list. Type in the person's name, display name, or email address to filter the results. As you type, the list updates automatically. When you see the correct user appear, locate their row in the table and make sure you've selected the right profile before moving forward. Next, move to the far right side of that user's row and click the three-dot More Actions menu. This opens additional administrative options for that account. In the menu, choose Deactivate Account. This is the action that removes their ability to access the workspace. A confirmation window will then appear on screen. Slack will explain that the user's message history will remain in place, but their access and active sessions will be terminated immediately. Take a moment to review that information so you know exactly what will happen. When you're ready, click the red Deactivate or Deactivate Account button to confirm. After that, the admin page will refresh. The member's account should now show as deactivated, and their status will move into the deactivated members section. Back in Slack, the change takes effect right away. The person is signed out across desktop, mobile, and browser sessions as soon as Slack finishes syncing the update.